I'm back with Minecraft. No, it's been a long time actually. So, we're gonna be playing Minecraft again. Got a skin back. If I get my skin back here. It took me off it. Yeah, the reason why I took me off is because there's a fire. This is about it, so I've got Minecraft. I thought we could build a survival base. And try to survive a tornado. To see if it actually does break. I decided to Minecraft. Yeah, never mind. It's not loaded. There we are. Right, so we're gonna create all the world. Okay. I already on normal and I'll keep it like that. Babe, you can't keep that. Okay, the world. I've checked out what to do with some money. They want about a couple weeks ago. It's been awesome, guys. I'm going to create and just test the tornado first. Actually, just if it aren't my games, like March 4. You know, my games, that's going to be like, that's what he's going to be like. Oh, anyway, make sure to smash that button. So it just pops. I am on the right version. I've got 1 week 20.50 and now that's more version 1. Okay, now I'm on the world. Okay. Now we're on the world, we'll go ahead and I think I remember actually. I think I got a different map. Social. Why don't we spawn left? You know, just like that one is gone now. Which is good. Oh, can break. Let's place it, where's it? Let me get a map. The only thing, you can spawn a storm. Yeah, I didn't even know where I am. There's a little island here. Should just be a crash. Here. No, it won't be in snow. We should be about, it should be just this island. Yeah, finally. Yeah, tornadoes on it too. It has been. Seems to survived. Sundown. Yeah, the tornado was here. It's like an upside down tree. It was definitely in the water. I watched. Why don't we start right here? And so you can spawn different storms, but the main mod is basically tornado. Yeah. So now there is a sunshine. What happens is the whole area is turned into sand. Let's get along with that through the clouds. Don't let me eat. Basically, no. Let's just vote. Totally. Well, it's all we should. This mod down low. Basically, one closer. Well, in a minute, you should be right behind this track. Yeah. But it does, the rain does stay, see that thing? I think we should show them F3. Let's see if this block actually works. I get scared. That's been F5. Okay, guys, bye.